I have this paint set that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. They have multiple to choose from. And I'm going to use my Sharpies to fill this in. I'm going to start with the center pumpkin. I like to work from the inside out. And I'm going to use this blue. And what I do is I kind of go around and I outline first what I'm going to color in. And I filled in the pumpkin. Then I grabbed this brown and did the stems. And then I took some orange and I'm going to do the squash on the end. Now the black highlights kind of shine through the Sharpie, which is good. And I left it black on some and I outlined others. And we'll talk about that as I go. So the sunflowers I outlined with this yellowy lime color and then filled it in with the yellow. And I did this on all the sunflowers. If you're interested in these Sharpies, we have a few sets on our Amazon store. I can provide a link. Just say Sharpie in the comments. Then I'm going to fill in the leaves with the brown. Now the Sharpies come with a paint tip or a bullet tip. And that's your option when you go on the link. And then I filled the bottom portion here in a little lighter than the orange, just to kind of make it look like maybe another squash was there. And then I filled in the outer rim that was bare in the blue to look like sky. And then I outlined the leaves with a black Sharpie. And then I took the brown Sharpie and outlined the lines in the center pumpkin. And then I'm going to take the stand that this goes on and paint it in the brown. And then I'm going to glue them together using just some hot glue. I found this hanging fence from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to paint it in white. I'm going to allow it to dry, and then I'm going to glue my painting or my little palette here onto the fence, and the stand is going to hold everything together. I took some wheat and glued it at the bottom of my picture, and then I added this raffia bow. You can get them at Hobby Lobby in a set of, I think, about 8. And then I'm going to add these leaves on the back side, just stapling them with my Bosch stapler. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitofancy.com.